Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Google Sites. We will see that how can we create a good static website using Google Sites. We will see how Google Sites is better than other website builders and how Google Sites can help you making any kind of static websites like you can make a static website for your business purposes and you can make your a static website for your personal websites and any other purposes. So basically how Google Sites help you. So first thing, what is the advantages of using Google Sites rather than using other website builders? So Google Sites is a drag and drop based website builder and the important thing is that it gives you feature to embed all of your Google hosted documents on your website. So basically, if you are using YouTube, Google Calendars, Google Documents, Google Slides, Google Documents, Google Sheets, you can embed all of the documents at one time. So this is the best thing and let's see how the Google Sites interface is. So basically for creating a good website with Google Sites, go to the sites.google.com and here you will see many templates. You will see templates for your personal uses, for your businesses, for creating new events, for projects, for creating the teams, and there are many templates available. If you didn't like any template, go with the blank. Here you see the drag and drop based interface and you can create, you can insert many kind of text, images, YouTube videos, you can embed YouTube videos and any Google Drive file, Google Sheets, slides and any Google hosted content for your email ID. So at first we are making here a simple portfolio for the example purpose and let's change the theme. Let's enter the title. Basically for example we are making a portfolio, so let's write my name and my resume. You can give any title according to your requirements for your website. You can change the header tag, like you can use as banner or without banner, only text you can use as your needs. On the right side we have different options to insert in your website, like let's add some text. You can change the text color, text size, text background color or text color also. You can use the other formattings also, like you want to make text bold, italic, underline or centric or left aligned or right aligned. You can do these kind of formattings with the text. Okay, let's make it to center, and let's increase the font size, and also let's change the color. Okay, now after this I want to add my resume that is hosted on the Google Drive. So Google Sites directly gives me access to the Google Drive content of my email ID. So I select the Google Drive option from the right side. After writing this text, okay, let's select the drive option, and it directly shows my all the content hosted on Google Drive. So I'm searching for my resume. Okay, I found, and let's insert it. You can use any file that may be of PDF type, of document type. You can embed here from Google Drive. You can also embed any video, audio from the Google Drive. Okay, after adding my resume, I want to add some project files here. So let's add text, make some formattings here, like changing text size and color, and make it center. Okay, for creating some projects or your portfolio, like you can use any kind of layout. There are many layouts given on the right side, like I used of 3 columns layout. You can use any text for the label of these layouts, these columns, and you can use I gave project 1, 2, and 3, and you can upload any content from Google Drive, YouTube, from Google Calendar, or Google Map here in this, or you can also add any image or video. So after this let's add some text first. Okay, let's embed the YouTube video. Here you can embed any YouTube video, or if you have your YouTube channel, then you can also add your video here. Okay, and insert. Change the width and height as you need, and after adding the video, let's add a footer on this website. Okay, if you want to add, you can also add Google Calendar or something like that. You will find many options on the right side. Okay, let's add the footer section and add some contact details or anything that you want. Okay, after doing this, we can also make this text as the links, and after doing this all stuff, we'll publish that. So before that, let's finish this. Okay, by writing these contact details, profile IDs, and let's make some formatting. Let's do some formatting with these, and okay, let's increase the font size and make them center. Okay, after this formatting, we have included all the stuff that I require, and after this let's take a preview. Okay, let's finish this. Before we can also use link here. If I have a link, we can use here. Okay, just copy your LinkedIn, Facebook, or any profile and paste here. Okay, after completing all your stuff, you can also add some new pages like about page, policy page, disclaimer page, anything. If you want to add other page, you can add here, or you can also add a direct link here in the navigation bar. Okay, let's take a preview. So after doing all this stuff, this website will look like this. Okay, okay, after this let's see how can we publish that. For publishing, just click on the publish button, and you will have to enter a website name. So let's try. If this name is already used, then it will give an error, and try just other name. Okay, let's make some differences, and it's okay. Okay, it is fine, and click on the publish finally. You can also add your custom domain here. Okay, and click on the publish finally. So let's see the published website that we have published. Okay, so this is the final website that we have created, and you can copy the URL of this website and can share if you want to share somewhere. Okay, like this we used the portfolio website example, you can use any idea that you have. Like if you want to create any business website, any portfolio, or something etc. that you want to create, easily you can develop using Google Sites without writing any coding stuff. So this was all about to making a simple static website using Google Sites. Okay, thank you.